We have a couple hundred details, and I've opened up one here. This one is a pitched roof to a high wall detail. So these are all annotated. What I've showed you today is the SketchUp model details. Obviously, you can orbit around the model and go into it, but they're more meaningful with notes on there. So every model that we have is ultimately converted to a PDF file that's annotated. Okay, so we invite you, and then you can also on our website, there's a interactive. There's a little interactive thing where you can do the same thing that I've been doing all day, and that is navigate the model with your scroll wheel of your mouse. Everything we do is AIA registered, and more importantly than that, everything we do is with the interest of best practice construction. And what that means is using union bricklayers and using union mason contractors who are skilled and who have safe work practices and who will give you a very, very good work product that is true to your design intent. So, masonry is a wonderful material, and hopefully that came through today. And we hope you use it, and we hope you use the union mason contractors.